Indoor and outdoor lock is best used as a gate lock or shed lock for protection and security from theft. Extra long shackle for application flexibility. Set your own 4-digit combination lock for easy combination recall. Combination change tool included. Combo lock is constructed with a solid body for strength and weatherability. Hardened steel shackle for cut resistance. 2 in, 51 mm, wide lock body. 5 by 16 in, 8 mm, diameter shackle with 2 to 1 by 4 in, 57 mm, length. 1 in, 25 mm, width. Shackle is preset to open on 0000. See user manual for combination reset instructions. The Master Lock 175DLH Set Your Own Combination Padlock features a 2 inches, 51 mm, wide solid body for strength and reliability. The 5/16 of an inch, 8 mm, diameter shackle is 2 to 1/4 inch, 57 mm, long and made of hardened steel, offering extra resistance to cutting and sawing. The 4-digit dialing allows for thousands of possible numeric combinations. Top reviews from the United States. Longevity. I am going 400 miles to where I hunt, so I think I will set at my desk for the next few days and open close it. If there is any update, I will post later.